Understanding, all right? Usage and meaning for IELTS. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the waiter asks if everything is okay with your meal. You might respond, all right? Today, we're going to learn about this common English phrase that you'll likely encounter in your IELTS test and everyday conversations. Word type, all right, is an adjective, adverb, or interjection, depending on how it's used. Meaning, as an adjective or adverb, all right means satisfactory or acceptable. As an interjection, it can express agreement or show that you're listening. Word history. The phrase all right comes from combining the words all and right. It has been used in English since the early 19th century. Antonyms. Some opposites of all right include wrong, incorrect, and unacceptable. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to all right include okay, fine, acceptable, and satisfactory. Examples used in sentences. Here are 3 ways to use all right in sentences. 1. The movie was all right, but not great. 2. All right, I understand what you're saying. 3. Are you feeling all right after your long journey? Common errors in use. A common mistake is spelling all right as one word, all right? While all right is becoming more common, it's still considered informal and should be avoided in formal writing, especially in the IELTS test. Now that you've learned about all, right, try using it in your conversations and writing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and using words like all right correctly can help improve your IELTS band score.